Ouais, mais là je pense qu'on a plutôt tombé sur lui que fait du gain. Ouais, t'as encore un tour. Ok. Et on voit les trois là-bas.
Voilà, ça.
Petit café.
Je suis à mon 12e depuis.
Je sais, je vois, tu te trembles un peu.
J'ai chaud, j'ai froid. Ah ouais, Mira, il nous avait collé une tartine, hein. Il a 1-2-3.
Ouais, ça mais il est deuxième.
Ah ouais, bah ça sur le papier, c'est joli.
Mais il est deuxième.
Ça va, on est à côté.
C'est bien. Parce que je pense qu'ils avaient de l'avance quand même en arrivant sur le camp. Les premiers là. Biotherme.
7 nœuds plus rapides pendant 4 heures, ça fait vite de la distance. Il manque un vol calcul.
Alors, Jess, je regarde l'écran sinon merde. Je prends de la balle, sauf que là, je vois elle est tombée. Non, on va aller.
So we are around Europe, on the Ocean Race Europe. We are actually, heading south on Bay of Biscay, the beginning of Bay of Biscay. This morning we were all the fleet all together in West Island. It was pretty cool. We managed to be close to the other. And now we're actually trying to catch them. We're slower than them on those conditions, much slower, so it's hard for us to have the same speed, but we're pretty happy about the boat because actually we've never been that fast on those conditions, so it means that we're pushing a lot. It's like flat sea, 12 knots of wind, reaching, and we're heading at 20 knots of average boat speed, so it's pretty good in 12 knots of wind for us. The others are at 25, but that's another story. But yeah, we're just enjoying the big music, steering the boat and pushing. I mean, I think the word of that race, all the leg will be the same. It's just pushing as hard as we are stupid. So we're pushing a lot.